Myself Rani. I'm working in St. Anthony School past 6 years. In SSC board it is. So I insist Principal Ma'am to change the SSC board to CBSE pattern. So we choose the top school by Navneet Top Tech. We want to give the children best. Nowadays all digital things are going. So we installed smart LED TVs. So we replaced the traditional method to teaching, and it reduced the time for teachers. So everything is planned by Navneet. So they're giving hard copies for the children. So it is so much benefit for the children as well as teachers. Pay receipts, fees, and attendance also. We both parents and teachers both we can see in same app. So we are using the TopSchool app. Even parents also using the same app.
Reach out to us at 1800-266-6676 or visit www.navneettoptech.com.